In this video, I'll show you how to make text appear word by word in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Adobe Premiere Pro app. If you don't have that, you can go ahead and opt for Adobe Express. It's free web version. And here, go ahead and upload your video. Now, once you have uploaded your video, click on this text tool to add a text into your canvas. So simply click on this add your text button to be able to add a plain text and customize it later on. Once you have clicked on that, this will pop up on your screen. So in here, just go ahead and enter the word that you want to incorporate to your video. So simply enter it manually. After you have entered the word manually, you can go ahead and customize your text. So you can go ahead and select a font style, font size, and incorporate text decoration into your text. Now, after you incorporate the text decoration and customize how it will look like into your video, you can go ahead and incorporate effects as well. And after that, go ahead and add the animation. So what you want to do is to make the text appear word per word. So what we'll need to do is to simply click on this typewriter effect. And that's basically how you can make text appear word per word on Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, if this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.